Happy Saturday, y'all. It is Saturday, August 8th. 85 degrees here at 1:30 in the afternoon in Clearwater, Florida. I'm about to take y'all into the Market Marie, held every second Saturday of the month from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It's at beautiful Coachman Park, right on the water here in downtown Clearwater, Florida. Let's go see what they have to offer and find some amazing deals and some good eats. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey y'all, here I am again. This is JJ here at the Market Marie with Jordan at the
How you doing?
The Rolling Pin Bakery. Homemade cookies made right in
Yes sir, we make all of our cookies at our house in Plant City.
Plant City.
Yes sir.
Look at these amazing cookies. Last time I was here, I saw them in Dunedin. I got the peanut butter stuffed cookie. Oh, it was amazing. Over a pound of cookies.
Yes sir.
Now they do have the socials on Instagram. It's the Rolling Pin Homemade Bakery. I'm here with Jordan. Had a wonderful Saturday, y'all. Don't forget to tune in, like, and subscribe. JJ's out.
Sir, thank y'all.
So the Market Marie here in Clearwater, Coachman Park, is the second Saturday of every month from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Like I said, it's an amazing time. Great weather. There's something here for everybody. I mean, very eclectic, unique stuff, different vendors, you know, supporting small businesses here in Clearwater, Florida. Hope you all enjoyed. Be showing you around the Market Marie here at Coachman Park in Clearwater, Florida. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Treat others where you want to be treated. Do the next right thing and just be awesome.